So today we are going to learn how we can make grass very easily. So for that press Shift A, then mesh, then take a plane, and in this plane I'm going to give some subdivision on that. Just right click and hit on subdivide. After that you can press Ctrl A and all transform. Then we have to go to here in the modifier section, add modifier, and this time we are going to use deform then displace modifier. So from here just hit on the new. After that click here and then go to here, and from here we are going to give this one. Then we have to just adjust a little bit, but before that just give it a shade smooth on it. Then we are going to play with the size of that and the intensity of this. So here I use 0.08 and the size like that. So once you are happy with that, then just we need to go to here in the particle section for the grass. Hit on the plus button, go to here, then go to advanced. So from here we have to give some value like hard division to give. I'm here going to give 50,000 like that. Then going to decrease the amount. Sure. Then we have to go to the physics tab. So from here you can give it 2 kg. Then go to here and just adjust the value as you want to give little messy fill on this. Then we have to go to here in the here shape. So this value you can give -1. This value you can give 2, and here you can give 0.5. Yep, we are done with that. Then we have to give some shaders on that. So for that, go to here, hit on the new button. Then we can give some cool color on that. So first I need to go to here to see the texture. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Then we have to give some cool light on that. Then you can get your desired result. Hope you like it. If you have any doubt, then just comment in the comment box. See you in the next video.